My name's Ian. I'm a sales and design technician at Wholesale Solar, and I've been here for over 4.5 years. The biggest myth I would say I hear a lot about solar is that it truly isn't a money saver and that it's never going to be a good return on investment, which is not the case whatsoever. And I can actually go through with people and figure out, based off how much you're paying a month, you get this size system, eliminates the power bill, you're gonna pay that off in 5 to 6 years. This is the first employee-owned company I've ever worked for, and it really, in doing that, it makes it feel like I'm a part of the company, and the choices I do really will affect it. Same with everyone else that's here. You know, we really actually care about the people we're talking to and working with. It's not just make the sale and move on to the next one. We're there to teach people from the beginning, help them get the right product for what they want and their needs, and then of course provide support at the end. I love my job because I feel like I'm actually making a difference. I'm helping people, and especially when that gets appreciated by the customer, makes me feel like I'm doing something right. My favorite types of hobbies are staying inside, playing video games, watching Netflix. Oh, I also like to eat out a lot, although there's not a lot of options around here. My favorite Disney princess would have to be Moana. My favorite 90s jam, that would have to be Say It Ain't So. My favorite 80s movie, I have a couple, or can I only pick one? The Thing, Friday the 13th, Halloween. That's it. I'm an 80s horror fan. So good.